everyone, today I would like to share with you my very handy mini sewing machine. It is easy to set up, easy to use, and works very well on many different types of fabric. Today I'm using a thick, fluffy fabric, not thin fabric like a shirt or jean, and you can see it works so well. This sewing machine uses 4 AA batteries, so you don't need electricity. Installing the batteries is very simple. Just match the positive and negative sides and put the batteries in the correct direction. Then close the battery cover tightly. After installing the battery, we will thread the machine. This machine comes with a small threading tool that makes it much easier. I've also made a YouTube short video showing exactly how to do it. After threading the machine, I put the fabric in and simply press the handle to start sewing. Today I'm making a scrunchie. Let's make it together. First, I fold the fabric and sew on the inside, so when I turn it right side down, you won't see the stitches. I've also shared a short video showing an easy way to turn fabric inside down just using a simple hair clip. It works even for very long pieces of fabric. I used the same hair clip to pull the elastic through the fabric. Then I sew the ends together to finish the scrunchie. It is so useful sewing machine. I'm designing my own dress with it. I will share with you in next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.